Hi, and welcome to Sky One Productions. I'm your host, Richard Lewis. I started Sky One in early 2016 and have since done, well, a few projects like canal and waterway inspections, also city assets and water towers, also roofing, and even real estate. That's right, many can benefit from aerial photography and videography. And at Sky One, we're using the latest in drone and camera technology that produces amazing, stunning 4K video. Well, if you want a video memory, or maybe even a video presentation, well, Sky One has got you covered, as we do offer video editing. And your videos are gonna sound amazing, as we do have over 20 years of voiceover and radio experience. So go to skyoneproductions.com for all the details, or call 754-245-6408. That's 754-245-6408. And don't forget to ask about our brand new virtual green screen photo booth for your party. Remember, at Sky One, the sky is no longer the limit.